As the owner of a team, if you do not need to use it anymore, you can delete it whenever you want. If you are unsure, it is also possible to archive it, so you do not lose access to the team. Finally, if you are a part of a less used team and you do not want to leave it, learn how to hide it. As the owner of a team, you can delete it if you no longer use it. To delete a team, click the three dots to the right of a team's name in the navigation pane. From the menu, click the Delete the Team option. A Delete Team window will appear. In the window, it asks to confirm that you would like to delete the team, as well as all channels, chats, files, and the Microsoft 365 group for this team. To confirm, check the box to the left of I understand that everything will be deleted. Then click the Delete Team button at the bottom right of the window. That team has now been deleted and no longer appears in the navigation pane. Only the owner of a team can archive it. To archive a team, click the Manage Teams button displayed as a gear icon at the bottom right of the navigation pane. Displayed in the central workspace is a list of the teams you own or are a member of. I would like to archive the team Homotic New Year project, so I'll click the three dots to the right of that team's name, and from the menu click Archive Team. A Want to Archive window will display. In this window, it states that this will freeze all team activity, but you'll still be able to add or remove members and update roles, and that you can go to Manage Teams to restore the team. You also have the option of making the SharePoint site read-only for team members by checking the box to the left of this option. To confirm that you would like to archive this team, click the Archive button at the bottom right. The archive team is no longer listed in the navigation pane on the left. The team will not appear here until the team is restored. But now at the bottom left of the Manage Teams list is an archived heading. Click this to expand its list. And now displayed is the team I have just archived. To restore the team, click the three dots to the right of the team's name, and from the menu click Restore Team. The team now appears in the Manage Teams list and in the navigation pane on the left. Hiding a team is more about your personal organization rather than a team management feature. To hide a team, from the navigation pane on the left, click the three dots to the right of a team's name, and from the menu select Hide. That team no longer appears in the list in the navigation pane. To see a list of your hidden teams, scroll down the navigation pane using the scroll bar, and at the bottom left of the pane is a Hidden Teams heading. Click this to expand its list, and displayed under this heading is the team I have just hidden. To unhide the team, click the three dots to the right of the team's name, and from the menu click Show. And that team has now reappeared in the teams list in the navigation pane. This has been an overview on managing a team in Microsoft Teams. Channels help organize your team by directing thoughts and conversations to specific groups of topics. In this video, you'll see how to add a channel to a team and organize its display once it has been created. You can always delete a channel if it is not useful anymore. Before creating a channel, it's important to note that the owner of the team may have disabled the authorization of channel creation for team members. In that case, you won't be able to create channels for the team. From the navigation pane, to create a standard channel, click the three dots to the right of a team name, and from the menu click Add Channel. A Create a Channel window will open. From the top of this window, under the heading Channel Name, I'll type out a name into the text field. Beneath this, you also have the option of adding a channel description. Under the heading Privacy, you can click the drop-down to open the menu. From here, you can choose whether you would like this channel to be accessible to everyone on the team or to be private. I'll click the option Standard to make this accessible to everyone. To finish, click the Add button at the bottom right of the window. And now in the navigation pane on the left, under the name of the team is the channel I have just created. Once you've created a channel, everyone on the team will have access to that channel. And in the central workspace, the channel content will be displayed. From here, I can start a new conversation and add tabs to the channel. The process to add a private channel is the same as the one just shown. Again, I'll click the three dots to the right of a team name. and from the menu click Add Channel. From the top of the Create a Channel window, I'll type in a name into the channel name text field. I'll then click the drop down under the heading Privacy to open the menu, and this time I'll select the Private option. Then click the Next button at the bottom right of the window. An Add Members window will display, and from here you can create a private group of people that will be able to see this channel. To add people, type out a contact's name into the text field at the top of the window. I'll start typing out the name Lisa, then click her contact from the suggestion list. Then click the Add button to the right of the text field. And now Lisa can also see this private channel I have created. I'll close this window by clicking the Done button at the bottom right. And now in the navigation pane under the team name is the private channel I have just created. Note that there is a lock icon to the right of the channel name. This indicates that this channel is private. And in the central workspace you can start a conversation with other people who can see this channel. To pin a channel, click the three dots to the right of a channel name, and from the menu click Pin. That channel has now been pinned. It still appears under the team name, but if I scroll up to the top of the navigation pane, it also appears under the heading Pinned. To unpin a channel, click the three dots to the right of the channel name, and from the menu click Unpin. The channel no longer appears under Pinned, but if I scroll down, it appears under the team name. To hide a channel, click the three dots to the right of a channel name, and from the menu select Hide. The channel name disappears, and the heading One Hidden Channel appears below the list of this team's channels. Click this and a side menu will appear displaying the hidden channel. Hover over the channel name and then click Show to the right of its name, and the channel has now reappeared under the team name. This has been an overview on creating channels in Microsoft Teams.